emergency meeting of the Business Advisory Committee took place this morning at 9:30 to take decision on the sudden demise of our number one Shillong parliamentary constituency member of parliament who passed away last night, Dr. Kyrkieh A.J. Sinkan, and the BAC had received the consent of the government since it was the day for scheduled for having the budget presentation today. So we had to seek the consent of the government, and the government has given us consent to adjourn the House for the day, for today. And the revised calendar is being prepared, and which will be presented on Monday with the sense of the House. Then I can announce you the exact calendar of the revised calendar of the House.
When will be the budget session? Means budget will be presented.
Most probably it will be carried over to the next day, which is coming Monday.
Will there be any obituary reference in the House?
Yes, there will be an obituary reference in the House today, after which the House will be adjourned for the day in honor and respect of the departed soul.
Thank you, sir.